Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make callaloo fritters. Yes, callaloo fritters, interesting, isn't it? Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Then tap, callaloo coulda make fritters, but kiss me neck back, me have to try that one ya. So first you boil your saltfish, then wash your callaloo thoroughly. Then strain your callaloo. Then rinse your saltfish thoroughly to get rid of most of the salt. Then pick it up, clean it up, dice your seasoning, and there we go. Then add your seasoning and saltfish to your callaloo. Add a little Maggi seasoning, a little chicken. Add some oil to your pot and leave it to preheat for about a minute. Then add your callaloo and leave it to steam for at least 10 minutes. Check on it, stir, ensure that it is properly cooked.
5 minutes later.
Now for the batter, we're going to be adding 2 cups of flour. And then we're going to add our Maggi seasoning again, not too much now, just a little bit, so that the batter is not fresh. Now we're going to be adding our water to our batter. Then we're going to mix until it's completely saturated. We're going to mix it until it becomes smooth and soft. So now we're gonna check on our callaloo and it's cooked. There we go. So now I'll be adding my callaloo to my batter and I'm gonna mix until it's completely saturated with the batter, smooth, soft and silky and nice. Then my oil is already preheated, so I'm gonna drop my batter in and I'm gonna fry my fritters. Look at them, ensure that your oil is not too hot to burn them. Flip them, they should have a nice and beautiful color. And there we go, look at my fritters. I'm just gonna be breaking one to show you the inside. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna have my callaloo fritters with a glass of chocolate milk. Thank you so much for watching.